Hi guys, back with another video. I'm showcasing you guys the back extension and why you might need it or why you might want to get this if you would like. I use it myself. I'm starting to use this about 2-3 weeks ago. I got it off Amazon. I use it for my low back, usually started doing isolation holds, hold for 30 seconds to a minute. And after you build tolerance, start doing it with one leg. Move this thing. Do it with one leg and then switch it with the other. Do it for 30 seconds to a minute. Do maybe 4 sets. After you're able to do both legs, be able to do one leg holds, you can start being able to do assistance reps going down. Do that. Afterwards, you could start doing it without resistance, going down. And then if you really get to a point for after a month, after maybe 2 months or so, and you go all the way down, I don't think I'm ready for that stuff myself because it might cause me pain tomorrow or something, you know. Do the side tilts by being able to hold this way pretty much. I don't want to try that, but that's what you could do. Back extension overall is such a great thing to really help you start building tolerance, stabilizing your back, as well as being able to just pretty much shield the back almost. It's really good. It's amazing. It gets to those inner tissues, those small joints in the low back and the muscles, and help engage and pretty much, help you get your back to where you want it to be and get it back to normal again. Thank you for watching this.